Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're checking out the 6.6 foot magic cable, nylon braided 100 watt multi-charging cable. So it's one cable that can charge, looks like 3 devices. 100 USB-C input and output, smart power distribution. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what it looks like. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm sick and tired of having a ton of cables, which is why we went ahead and got this. I mean, having 3 cables, 4 cables, and more for our devices gets very frustrating. Okay, so you have different ends here. You have your main power end, which is a Type-C. So that would get plugged into a Type-C power end. And then you have 2 Apple type devices. One is 12 watts, one is 20 watts, and then you have a Type-C, which is 100 watts. So for different Apple devices, we can charge our watch or our phone, tablet, and also charge our GoPro at the same time with this. Overall, it's very nice. Definitely gonna get the job done. And plenty of cable too, so you know you're not strapped. If you want to have this plugged into the wall somewhere with an outlet, you easily can. If you have, you know, a Type-C converter outlet or any Type-C port, really. I mean, if you got a power bank, you could plug this in a power bank and then plug these into all your devices. Overall, very nice.